So we are back with it, guys. In today's video, we got another early Yeezy review for y'all. So today, we're checking out the upcoming Yeezy 500 High Frosted Blue. Are these joints a must-have for my collection? How do they stack up when compared to previous colorways? Or do we have just simply another 500 High that could possibly hit for under retail? What's good, guys? It's J.A. If y'all are new here on this channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. But stay tuned for today's new video, because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute to all the real ones. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for pulling up for today's new video. It's been about a week or so since my last upload, but guys, we've been doing the live stream thing, connecting with the people. It's been a lot of fun, but had to get back to my stomping grounds. We got another early review for you guys. In today's video, we got the 500 High Frosted Blue. So I wouldn't be able to make these early looks happen if it wasn't from the support from all of you guys, as well as the sponsors on this channel. So thank you to Addict for sponsoring today's video. Now, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Addict. Well, they've just announced Addict 2.0, which is gonna be a game changer. So as y'all know, Addict supports over 85 sites, including Adidas, Supreme, Kith, and Bape, plus more retailers that carry your favorite Jordans, Yeezy, and more high profit items. Addict's been having constant success for users for every release, and they're one of the most reliable iOS bots on the market. Addict is a great investment for anyone looking to flip sneakers and make thousands monthly, or it's just a great tool to use if you're looking to secure sneakers for retail. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up at addict.io to be notified as soon as the Addict bot comes back in stock. These joints are set to drop this coming Monday, April the 12th. So guys, we got another banger here. So for March, as y'all know, they killed it with so many releases, a little versatility for everyone. They even dropped the new 450. We got the foam runners back in 2 different colorways. So it was only right that they, slowed things down a bit for April, AKA April. We got some heat. But I gotta say, they're starting off the releases kind of calm. So the 500 High, as y'all know, dropped back in 2019. So this will now be, I guess, the 5th release for the 500 High. A sneaker that some would say is underrated. A lot of the colorways earlier have hit for retail, but I would say as 2021 has came on, a lot of these are more appreciated now. And gotta say, let's put some respect on the 500 High. So these frosted blue joints, when I first saw them, I wanted to make an excuse for why I didn't like them. But off my first impressions, guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I really fell in love with this colorway. So when the mock-ups first hit, I felt like these joints were interesting, but getting them in hand kind of takes it to a whole nother level. So let's start with the sole, guys. Of course, you got the Adipreme white sole. In the upper, guys, this shoe has 3 different tones of blue going on. So you got a grayish blue going into a blue that reminds me of a denim jean. And then of course on the neoprene, you've got more of a blue. I wanna say this blue is a little more in towards the teal realm. So of course you top it off with this suede finish on the toe cap area. These joints right here do feature, of course, your bungee laces, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all. At first, I thought it was really dope, the fact that you didn't have to tie your shoe, but I kind of miss the laces. It kind of gives your shoe a different aesthetic. So it's really dope that Yeezy comes with your backup pair of standard laces with every pair that comes with Infinity or your bungee laces. So rather than your bungee laces, which kind of have that real rubbery feel, you got your standard OG laces that are for all the old heads that's just gonna get the job done just as well. Now, in terms of this silhouette overall, the Yeezy 500 High, gotta say, is very comfortable. While it doesn't feature boost, the Adipreme technology is a great affordable alternative. Also, with the retail price of $220, these joints are definitely a no-brainer. So guys, when it comes to sizing, just like you do with pretty much all Yeezy models, you're gonna wanna half size up from your true to size size. So as Yeezys have become more accessible over the years, some have complained that quality control has somewhat declined over the years, which you can't blame as more mass production continues. Unfortunately, a side effect is quality control sometimes does decline as well. When it comes to the 500 high, a lot of people, including my guy Prince Mark, the 500 King himself, has said that this year's releases have somewhat of this weird slope that some of you guys will notice on the shoe, which on this particular model, the frosted blue colorway, it looks like that trend does continue, but I'm not mad. You still have a great quality sneaker overall. Just a few glue stains I noticed, but I guess that could all depend on your pair in particular. But don't let that sway you away from purchasing this shoe. It's still a great sneaker coming in at $220. So these joints will be releasing in adult sizes only. Of course, expect an Adidas or confirmed release, as well as your standard Yeezy supply drop. So once again, these joints are dropping Monday, April the 20th. In terms of resale value, I would suggest to only cop these joints for personal, as in the past 500 highs usually don't garner much resale value. Now, in terms of adding these joints to my personal collection, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm still up in the air. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this colorway, but again, the 500 high is one of my least favorite Yeezy models. So it's probably gonna be one of those joints where if I don't hit for retail, I'm probably just gonna pass and wait for another colorway, because as y'all already know, Adidas has plans to drop more 500 colorways this year. So in terms of the release, guys, I feel like if you wanna get these, do not sleep. I still see these joints selling out, and I still having slight resale value, probably just slightly above the standard retail price. So if you guys are looking to cop these, remember, sign up for the raffle, lock in for the Yeezy supply drop, because I truly believe that these joints will sell out a lot quicker than you guys think. So let me know, guys, where does the Yeezy 500 high frosted blue rank amongst the Yeezy 500 high colorways? Are these joints a cop or a drop for you guys, or do you feel like these will be another 500 that could possibly hit for under retail? Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, guys, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.